Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this video, I'm going to talk about our GeoTools software, which is yet another productivity tool. But this is specifically designed and made for people who are using geographic data. So when I mean geographic data, it's all data that captures the facilities and features outside the building, which is ground dimensions and so on. So GeoTools is useful for people in surveying, mapping, infrastructure, utilities and such industries where they use a lot of geographic data. Of course, today a lot of people in the architecture, engineering and construction, the AEC segment, also use these kind of data. So for them also GeoTools would be useful. So GeoTools has got about 500 tools which are classified in different categories like polyline tools, annotation, build tools, drawing cleanup tools, AutoCAD map tools and so on. So these tools are used for several different purposes. So for example, if you go to the polyline tools, there are several tools which are for cleaning up, for reporting data on polyline, for annotating vertices, for annotating segments and so on. So in annotation, you have tools like annotating contours, annotating levels and so on. In drawing cleanup, we have several tools which are suitable for map data cleanup, typically those which are found in software like AutoCAD map and so on. We have then separate micro vertical sections in GeoTools called civil tools, then we have geographic tools, then we have geological and mining tools. So all of these are pertaining to geographic data and how you can achieve productivity with those data. So GeoTools is a very open-ended and versatile product, and you can always give us your feedback and we will help to improve this product further. It runs on 4 different platforms: AutoCAD, BricsCAD, ZWCAD and Ares Commander, and you can download the trial version from our website. So you can consider GeoTools as a mini Civil 3D because it has got several tools which are there in Civil 3D like cross sections, longitudinal sections and so on. But it's not an exact replacement for Civil 3D, but many of the tools in GeoTools can be used for simple tasks which typically every user encounters on a daily basis. In GeoTools, we also have a section where you can import and export KML and KMZ files. This is very useful because there are very few software in the market which can do something like this. And this runs exclusively on BricsCAD Pro because it uses the coordinate conversion functions of BricsCAD Pro v24. So the KML files are automatically transformed or changed or converted from UTM to geographic lat long and vice versa using this tool. So thank you for watching this video. So you can always come back to me if you have any questions and feedback.